Hi guys, my name is Alex, and if you want to see how I got this eye makeup look using the new Nude Huda Beauty palette, then please keep watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's eye makeup look, I'm going to be using the new Nude Huda Beauty palette, which I used in my last video. And before I put on any eyeshadow, I like to take a couple dots of my Shape Tape, and I use this as eyelid primer. So that's my first step. Now that I have a couple dots of concealer, I'm just going to blend it out with a brush. So the first color that I'm going to be using is the color Bear. And we're going to focus this color underneath the brow bone. And for my next color, I'm going to be taking the color Secret, and I'm going to put this color above the crease. And the next color I'm going to take is the color Tease, and I'm going to focus this color in the crease. And for my next color, I'm going to be taking the color Raw and focusing it on the outer V in the crease and below to the center. Next, I'm going to be taking the concealer that comes in the palette, and I'm going to put this on the eyelid from the inner corner to the center. So I'm going to be using this flat brush, taking the concealer and cleaning up on the eyelid. The center here. And I'm gonna fan it out a bit. I want like a perfect line down the middle. Okay, so now that I have the concealer, I'm going to take the color Charmed from this palette, which is one of the multi-reflective shadows, and going over the concealed area. I'm obsessed with these multi-reflective shadows. They're so pretty. So I was actually going to leave my eyeshadow like this, but then I took another look and it's a little more pinky purpley than I'd like it to be. So I'm actually going to dip into the color Crave, which is another multi-reflective shadow. And I'm going to put that color on top of Charm. I want it to be a little more gold. Okay, good. I don't know why Charmed doesn't look as bright as I thought it would for some reason. So taking another finger, just blending it here. Nice. See, I feel like that's a lot brighter. so now I'm going to take my tattoo liner by Kat Von D, and I'm going to use this for the top part of my eyes, creating a cat eye, a winged liner if you will. There we go. So I outlined it here. I'm just gonna fill in. Woo! And now I'm gonna make it a little thicker on the top. And I did a little point here. So for my next step, I'm going to be taking the Aqua XL Makeup Forever eyeliner in the color black. And I love to use a black pencil eyeliner for the bottom of my eyelids. This is the only thing I like to use. I feel like the eyeliner, the gel one's just not, it's not as great. It doesn't last as long. And it pushes down really easily, so I'm taking my black eyeliner and I'm connecting that line, bringing it down, connecting it to this front line. I am not shy with my eyeliner at all. I do make kind of a thick line here. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side and I'll be right back. And I am back. I finished the rest of my face and I got these Faux Mink lashes from CVS. They're Kiss Lash. They won an Allure Beauty Best of Beauty Award. So I think they're really pretty. They were like $5 and I could use them up to 10 times, of course, if you take good care of them. So moving on to my lips, I'm going to be using, I know it's teeny tiny, but obviously I'm obsessed with this. I'm going to be using the Nars Lonely Heart. I tried sharpening it and this was the best that I can do, but I definitely need to get a new one of these, but this is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to line my lips first and then fill them in. I'm also going to be mixing this color with the color Shawty by Fenty Beauty. And there you have the final look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!